Hi, we have Anna here. She has passed her driving test
Sure have.
at Pakenham driving school, Pakenham VicRoad, and she has taken few lessons from Origin Driving School. And how are you, Anna? How are you feeling?
I'm good. I feel great. I just passed. It's a good feeling. So I'm so happy I finally got my license. It's been a long time coming, but yeah, it feels good. Really good feeling.
Beautiful. So,
Yeah.
do you think you have taken the right decision choosing the driving school, Origin Driving School?
Yeah, definitely. I found it really helpful, really clear direction given by my instructor, you.
Okay, thank you.
And yeah, really flexible and yeah, just I feel like much more ready when I was getting lessons from Origin than
Okay.
I was with a previous instructor I used.
Okay.
So yeah, really great driving school.
Okay, so what recommendation or what suggestion do you provide for other new learner for the
Yeah,
test?
for the
What do you
test.
think?
Definitely relax. Like the less you stress, the better it is for you. So relax and just listen carefully to the instruction, and yeah, just don't speed. And yeah, that's my
Okay,
advice.
cool. Will you recommend Origin Driving School to your friends and colleagues?
Yes, definitely. I'll be recommending it to my friends, everyone, family. Yeah,
Okay,
definitely. Yeah.
cool. It's our pleasure to serve you and you enjoy your safe driving. Okay, Anna?
Yes.
Take
Awesome.
care. Bye bye.